We learn how to do all inside repair for the posterior horn of the medial or the lateral meniscus for any kind of tear, be it a longitudinal tear or a horizontal or a radial tear. So if this is the tear pattern, this is the device Cinch 2, which comes with a protector as well as a sleeve with the marking, so that you can set it as per the depth you want to pierce it. So it has got a protector with the marking starting from the 12 millimeter. So once you lock it at the 12 millimeter, only the 12 millimeter depth of needle will penetrate the meniscus. You can set it on to 14, you can set it on 16, or you can set it on 18. So if you set it on 18 and the depth of the tear is around 18 millimeter, then it will get auto stop at the length of 18 millimeter. We got a 2 switch over here. This is for the first implant, this is for the second implant. So once this is set as per the desired length of the tear, this is the tear pattern. We got 2 options. We can use it without the sleeve as well, because it itself has got the marking. So you can see the marking over here, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So it can be used without the protector sleeve as well, using a simple half sleeve. Now once you go and negotiate the curve of the femoral condyle and you reach up to the meniscus, pierce the meniscus. Once there is a loss of resistance and you pierce the meniscus, the first implant is ready. Now to deploy the implant, pull the first trigger back till the time you hear a sound. So now the first implant is deployed. Now you will gently remove the needle and will prepare for the second pass. Before piercing the needle, the second implant is prepared and the trigger is slided up to the level of this mark. Once this is done, the needle is pierced through the meniscus. Once you are sure that you have pierced the meniscus and there is a loss of resistance, you will prepare the implant, and which is followed by deploying the implant by taking the trigger down, and this audible sound confirms that the implant has been deployed onto the back of the meniscus. Now you gradually take out the needle. This is a self-locking stitch. Tension can be given onto the meniscus and then it is cut using a suture cutter. One more advantage of Cinch 2, that it has got a rigid component as well as a flexible or a malleable component, so that depending on the tear pattern and the location of tear, so it can be used as a straight or the curve pattern as well.